Okay, to work out the volume of a sphere, let's first put the sphere on the xy axis. And then we know, centred on the origin, this is then the radius of the sphere out to the edge. We know that this distance is y, and this distance is x, and this is a right angle triangle. And what's important about this is this x also represents the radius of this circle, and this is just a segment of the sphere, just sliced straight through so you have one circle. And this then also obviously equals x. And that's what we're interested in. So we know from Pythagoras r squared will equal x squared plus y squared in this instance. But we're interested in x squared. So x squared equals r squared minus y squared. Now if this is the radius of this circle, the area of this circle will be pi r squared. And as the radius is x, it will be pi x squared. And let's just multiply pi by both sides. And now what we want to do is integrate for all of the circles through the sphere. That will then give us the volume of the sphere. So the area of the circles all added together gives you the volume of the sphere. So what we want to do now is integrate from minus r to r, which is when y, so r comes all the way down to the bottom, all the way to the top. Pi r squared, we'll multiply out the brackets, pi y squared minus pi y squared, obviously with respect to dy. Now, this is an even function. There's the y is a square or y to the 0, and we know with an even function, which is essentially when f of x equals f of minus x. We know the integration can be further simplified. Instead of being a minus r to r, how we can just write it simply is 2 into 0 to r pi r squared minus pi y squared dy. So let's go ahead and integrate that function. What we've then got is 2 into y pi r squared minus 1/3 pi y cubed, all between 0 and r. We only need to do the r, obviously the 0 cancels out. So then we've got 2 into pi r cubed minus 1/3 pi r cubed. And now you can probably see where this is going. Equals, multiply out the 2 minus 2/3 pi r cubed, which equals where we're heading for, 4/3 pi r cubed. And that's the volume of a sphere. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.